Nothing is back with its brand new Phone 4B, a smartphone that brings the signature Nothing design at a more affordable price. But is it actually worth buying, or are there better options in this price range? Let's find out. The Nothing Phone 4B continues the company's unique design language with a colorful plastic unibody and the new Glyph Bar LED interface. While it isn't as premium as the flagship Nothing phones, it still stands out from the crowd and feels comfortable to hold. It also comes with an IP64 rating for basic dust and splash resistance. On the front, you get a 6.77-inch Full HD plus AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Colors look vibrant, scrolling feels fluid, and the screen is bright enough for outdoor use, whether you're watching YouTube, Netflix, or gaming. The display is one of the strongest highlights of this phone. Powering the Phone 4B is Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 processor paired with 8GB RAM and up to 256GB storage for everyday tasks like social media, multitasking, web browsing, and casual gaming. Performance is smooth. Even games like BGMI and Call of Duty Mobile should run comfortably on medium to high settings, although this isn't a flagship gaming device. One of the biggest reasons to buy a Nothing phone is the software. The Phone 4B runs Nothing OS based on Android 16, offering a clean, fast, and almost bloatware-free experience. You also get Nothing's essential AI features and long-term software support, making the phone feel future-ready. The phone features a 50-megapixel primary camera along with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, while selfies are handled by a 16-megapixel front camera. In daylight, photos are detailed with good colors and dynamic range. Portrait shots are impressive, and the primary camera also supports 4K video recording. The ultra-wide camera is decent, but loses some detail compared to the main sensor. Overall, the camera system performs well for everyday photography. Battery life is another strong point. In India, the Phone 4B packs a massive 6,000 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging. Most users can easily get a full day, and even heavy users should comfortably make it through the day without worrying about charging. Unique Nothing design, excellent AMOLED 120Hz display, clean Nothing OS experience, good battery life, reliable primary camera, plastic body instead of glass. 33-watt charging is slower than some rivals. Ultra-wide camera is average. Performance is good, but not class-leading for gaming. So, should you buy the Nothing Phone 4B? If you want a phone with a unique design, clean software, great battery life, and a smooth display, the Phone 4B is a solid option. However, if your priority is maximum gaming performance or ultra-fast charging, you may find stronger competitors in the same price segment. Overall, I'd give the Nothing Phone 4B an 8.7 out of 10. It's stylish, dependable, and offers the signature Nothing experience without stepping into flagship pricing. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more smartphone reviews, and let me know in the comments, would you buy the Nothing Phone 4B or would you choose something else? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.